Hello students, my name is Birbal Sharma. Today we will start the second part of important questions of IOQJS. They are also from light. तो अब start करें. Light. It is the first question from light. A convex mirror of focal length f in air is immersed in liquid. Refractive index mu is 4/3. The focal length of the mirror in the liquid will be. We know very well that focal length of mirror is f is equals to f is equals to r by 2. It does not depend the intervening medium. Medium पे depend नहीं करेगा. It means focal length will not change. So answer is C. Okay, the next question is it is also from plane mirror. When a ray of light strikes a plane mirror at an angle of 15 degree with the mirror, what will be the angle through which the ray get deviated? Deviated means a ray is moving in this direction. If it will bend in this direction, then this will be the deviation. It is deviation. By how much angle it will deviate? So think about this incident ray. If mirror is absent, then this ray will move in this direction. Due to mirror at the point of incidence, it is normal. Here it will reflect. This is the angle of I. It is angle R. They will be equal. If we think about this angle, then this will also be equal. That is 15 degree. It is the angle of glance angle of incidence. It is glance angle of reflection. They are equal. It is also 15 degree. So we have to find this angle, that is delta. So delta will be equals to 15 plus 15, that is how much? 30 degree is the answer. So answer is B. Correct answer is B. Now the next question, that is third question. Third question is two thin lenses, it is from refraction. Two thin lenses of focal length 20 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Here sign is not given, it means it is plus. Convex lens 20 centimeter and 25 centimeter are placed in contact. The effective power of the combination. Okay, focal length is given, but asked is power. So in contact, when lenses are placed in contact, then the focal length of combined lens, that is small f, will be equals to 1 upon f is 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2 and so on. But here is only two lenses. So 1 upon f is 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 25. We can calculate it. LCM is 100. It is 5 plus 4, that is 9 by 100, or f is 100 by 9 centimeter. We know it is the focal length. We know that the power of lens is of lens is 100 upon f, but f must be in centimeter. So it is 100 divided by 100 upon 9 into 9, that is 9 diopter. It is the answer. So correct option is D. It is the correct option. It is question number 3. Now the next question. Next question is fourth question. The middle color in sunlight spectrum is, okay, at the prism. When sunlight falls, white light, then it is divided into 7 parts. Dispersion takes place. It is red, last is violet. There are 7 colors. 7. You know very well the sequence is V, I, B, GYOR. Baby Gyor. It's the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So which one is middle color? We know very well the refractive index of prism for different colors will be different. If we take the average of here green is not middle color, 3 there is not middle color. So how we will decide which one is middle color? The average of refractive index of prism for different colors will be equal to the RI of prism for yellow color. So middle color is yellow. So middle color is yellow. This one. So correct option is first part A. This was the question number 4th. Now the next question. Question is 5th. A convex lens is used to form an image of an object on a screen. It means definitely image is real because it is caught on screen. If the upper half of the lens is blackened so that it becomes opaque at the lens, convex lens, upper half it is opaque at the object lens blackened so that it becomes opaque, then which one is correct? Only half of the image will be visible. The image position shifted toward the lens, the image position shifted away from the lens, the brightness of the image reduces. The light from object falls on each part of the lens and it is refracted from each part and they meet at a point to where will be the image. If this part is opaque, then light rays will not reach to form the image. Only this lower part will send the rays to form the image. So the intensity of image will decrease, will reduce. So, but the image will be at the same position as in presence of the complete lens. So correct option is the D. The brightness of the image reduces. Okay. This was the question number 5th. Now the next question is 6th, an important question. In the figure below, a ray of light travelling in a medium of refractive index mu passes through two different connected rectangular blocks of refractive index mu1 and mu2. It is mu1, it is mu2, it is mu. We can say here is mu, it is also mu. Okay, but mu1 and mu2 they are different rectangular blocks, mu1 and mu2. Mu2 is greater than mu1, mu2 is greater than mu1. This one means mu2 is this one is denser medium in comparison to the mu1. Now the angle of incidence theta 1, it is theta 1. Theta 1 increased slightly, then angle theta 2, it is theta 2. What is the effect on theta 2? Now think about this one. Light is moving from rare medium to denser medium, it will be the angle of refraction, that is R. If we complete, this is also the normal on this interface. If we increase theta 1 increases, then definitely R will increase. Theta 1 increases, R will increase. Now think about this triangle, the sum of these angles, this one, suppose it is R dash. This 90 is fixed, R increases, so R dash decreases because the sum of R dash and 90 becomes 180 constant. So R dash will decrease. Is it clear up to here? On increasing theta 1 थीटा 1 को इंक्रीज करें तो r इंक्रीज होगा. In this triangle, on increasing r dash will decrease. Okay, now think about mu1 and mu2, because this ray is moving from rare to denser, so it will bend towards the normal in this way. If we decrease r dash, then this angle, suppose r double dash will also decrease, r double dash will also decrease. Think about the most important. Again, if we increase theta 1, then r will increase. In this triangle, on increasing r dash will decrease, because ray is moving from rare to denser, it will bend toward the normal. R dash increase हो रहा है, sorry, r dash decrease हो रहा है, it means r double dash भी decrease होगा. Is it clear? But these are the normals, parallel lines, so this will also be r double dash. R double dash is decreasing. Now light is moving from denser to rare, it will bend away the normal. R dash decrease, r double dash decrease हो रहा है, it means theta 2 will also decrease. This is the answer. So answer is increases wrong, decreases. Correct option is B. Answer is B. It is important question. Next question is, that is seventh question. Seventh question is this one. An object is placed at a distance of x1 from the focus. Now think about this one. Distance is from focus. Up to here, lens formula, mirror formula, we have counted the distance from pole or the optical center. But here, x1 is the distance from the focus point, concave mirror. Its real image formed at a distance of x2 from focus point. Again, image distance also from focus point. Hence, the focal length of the mirror is. Now, see here, it is the mirror. Which mirror? That is concave. It is pole. Here is F. It is C. Suppose it is object AB. We have to form the image of this object by this concave mirror. A ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus point. Is it clear? Now second ray passing through focus point, it becomes parallel. Here will be the image. It is A dash and B dash. It is image. Now think about this triangle and this triangle. This point is suppose L, this point is P, it is M. This point is P, pole. Now these two triangles are similar. Now think about this triangle FPL. It is curved, but all the formulas they are correct for paraxial rays. Paraxial means near to the principal axis. So we can assume L is very close to P, M is also very close to P. So we can assume it is a straight line, approximate straight line, PL or PM. Now think about triangle A, B, F and triangle F, P and M. They are similar. In a similar triangle, the sides, ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. Now think about PM divided by AB, this triangle, PM divided by AB will be equal to FP divided by AF. Because of PM is equal to A dash B dash, these are the parallel lines, PM and A dash B dash will be equal. So we can write here A dash B dash divided by AB, that will be equal to FP divided by AF is number 1. Same thing about this triangle and this triangle. See this triangle, triangle A dash B dash F and triangle F, P and L are similar. We can also write LP and AB will be equal. So we can also write A dash B dash divided by, either we will write LP or AB, same thing, because LP it is AB, because LP is equals to AB. That will be equals to, it is A dash B dash, means A dash F divided by FP is number 2. Now think about this triangle, this equation and this equation. LHS is equal A dash B dash divided by AB, A dash B dash divided by AB. So from 1 and 2, LHS equal, so RHS must be equal. FP by AF, FP by AF, it is FP divided by AF, that will equal A dash F divided by FP, or we can also write is FP square will be equals to AF into A dash F. Now think about this. What is FP? It is FP. It is FP. It is F. Now according to question, the distance of object from focus is x1. So AF is the distance of object from focus point, it is x. So F square is equals to x1 and it is x2. So answer is, what is F? Square root of x1 x2, it is the answer. So correct answer is B. Focal length will be square root of x1 and x2. This was the solution of question number 7. Now next question. Okay, a ray of light incident on a hollow prism, glass prism as shown in the figure, then the ray will undergo. Now think about, it is the hollow part, it is hollow. Here is glass, ray incident at this surface AB, because it is moving from rare to denser, then it will bend toward the normal. Again, when light moves from this portion to, in this triangle, in a triangle, then it is moving from denser to rare, then it will bend away the normal. Means due to this, it will behave just like a slab. There will be some deviation in downward direction. But think about this side, when it will bend in this way. But think about this one, when just opposite, light is moving from rare to denser, so it will bend towards the normal. Again, when it will strike at this point, it is moving from rare to denser, so there will be no deviation, no dispersion. It is not divided into colors because it is behave just like a glass slab. It is also just like glass slab. Due to first part there is some deviation, but due to second part the deviation will be just opposite direction, because this AB part deviation will be clockwise. Due to this part AC, the deviation will be anti-clockwise. So that deviation will be 0. No deviation, no dispersion. So correct answer is neither deviation nor dispersion. It is the correct answer of this question number 8. Now the question number 9. Next question is, if the central part of the convex lens is wrapped in a black paper as shown in the figure, same part. Suppose here is the object, here is the image formed. Light from object will fall on each part of the lens, and which is refracted by each part of the lens. These refracted ray will form the image. अब देखिए ये पोर्शन भी लाइट पहुंचाएगा, ये भी पहुंचाएगा और ये भी. जब हमने इसको ब्लैक एंड किया तो लाइट इससे नहीं पहुंचेगी. It means the position of image will be same, but the intensity will reduce, intensity will decrease. So correct option, no image will be formed, it is wrong. The full image will be formed, but it will be less bright. It is correct. Think about C. Why not C and D are correct? The central position of the image will be missing. No, each part, हर portion पहुंचाएगा. There will be two images, each produced by one of the exposed portion of the lens. No, correct answer is B. The important same question, two questions. Now next, the question number 10. 10 question is some lengthy question. Is the convex lens. We have to find the ratio of focal length. Suppose iska focal length f dash combined. It is f double dash. It is f triple dash. We have to find the ratio of f1, f2 and f3. Now think about this. Think about this portion. Only this portion. Chaliye, object is here. So the radius of this one, that is r1, will be positive. Suppose it is plus r, and r2 will be infinity. You know very well that is 1 upon f. Only this part, f1 will be equals to mu minus 1 into 1 upon r1. Lens maker formula, 1 upon r1 is only r minus 1 upon infinity. Now think about second portion, this portion. Object is here. So r1 will be equal to infinity and r2 will be equal to minus r. Now the focal length of this one, 1 upon f2 will be equal to mu minus 1 into 1 upon r1, that is infinity, minus and minus plus, so 1 upon r. Again, you know very well f1 and f2 are equal. It is also mu minus 1 upon r. It is also mu minus 1 upon. Think about this one. This is made up by two lenses. Its focal length is f1, its focal length is f2. So what is the focal length of combined lens? So think about this. 1 upon f dash will be equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. We can find it. 1 upon f1 is given, 1 upon f2 is given, mu minus 1 upon r. It is 1 upon f1, mu minus 1 upon r again, mu minus 1 upon r. It is, that is, so what is the value? F dash will be equals to r upon 2 times mu minus 1. It is the first part. Now think about second part. These are the two f1 and f2, combination of f1 and f2. In second part, okay, think about second part. This is the combination of two lenses. This type lens, two lenses, only 1 upon f double dash, 1 upon f double dash will be equals to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f1. Again solve it. The value of f double dash will be equals to again r upon 2 times mu minus 1, because f1 and f2 are equal. So think about this portion and this portion, they are equal. F dash equal to f double dash. Now think about this part. This is the combination of f2 and f1. हम पहले ही find कर चुके हैं. It means we can write f dash raised to f double dash raised to f triple dash will be 1 raised to 1 raised to. It is the answer. It is the correct answer. So correct option is B. Is the question number 10. Is question number 10. Correct option is okay. Now next question. The question number 11. Question number next is 11. A part. It is subjective. From figure find the position of the image. Now to solve this question, think about this. It is water. Okay, up to here. Here any object is placed. So this length will be real depth, suppose it is t, it is viewed from the top, ray ऐसे जाएगा, it will bend away, here will be the image, so it will be AD, it will be RD, it is shift, OI is shift. So how can we find the shift? Real depth RD minus AD, that is equals to T into T minus T upon mu, the T into 1 minus 1 upon mu. It is the shift. This object will shift a distance T into 1 minus 1 upon mu in upward direction. Now think about this. Here is the mirror, focal length 10, object is placed at a distance of 21 centimeter, but in the path a glass slab whose refractive index is 3/2 and thickness is T is 3 centimeter. Means the object यहाँ रखा है, it will not be here, it will shift towards here due to this slab. So what will be the shift? अगर यहाँ shift होता है then it will be U. So how we will find the total distance? U will be, first of all, U will be negative, U will be negative, and 21, but minus shift is T into 1 minus 1 upon mu. If we put the value, then U will be minus 21. Why minus? Because object is real, so U will be negative always. 21. T is 3 centimeter. 3 into 1 minus 1 upon mu is 3/2, that is 3 into 2. We can calculate it. U will be equals to, what is the value of U? That is U will be equals to minus 21 it is minus 21 minus, we can solve it easily, 3 से 3 cancel, that is only 1, that is how much? Minus 20 centimeter. F is also given, minus 10 centimeter. You can find the value of U, V. We can say it is the center of curvature of the mirror. Object is placed at the center of curvature. Actually it is at 20 centimeter, but due to the presence, इस slab की presence से 1 centimeter distance decrease होगी. Means object को हम suppose कर सकते हैं, it will be at a distance of 20 centimeter. Means C पर रखा हुआ है, तो image must be at C. Means image will be at O itself. That's the answer. हम ऐसा भी find कर सकते हैं. F is minus 10, U is equals to minus 20. We can find the value of U. That will be minus 20. Okay. So this is the answer of A part of question number 11. Now, the second question, 11th question, B part. A student sees the top angle and the bottom center C of the pool. What center C is the center? We can say it will be x/2. Confirm? Okay, this height is h. Angle theta. This angle is theta. Okay. Simultaneously, angle theta above the horizon, as seen in the figure, the refractive index of water which fills up to the top, it is water. Top area of the pool is 4/3, mu is 4/3, and h upon x is 7/4. Then find the cos of theta. Okay, at this surface we can say it is a normal. This angle will be angle of incidence, that is 90 minus theta. It will bend here. You can see the center. Suppose this is R, we can find easily at point O. At O, by Snell's law. Snell's law. Take refractive index, this medium 1 into sine of 90 minus theta is equals to mu into, it is mu. The refractive index mu is given 4 by 3, mu into sin of r, it is cos theta, it is given 4 by 3 into sin of r. It must be the answer, but we have to put the value of sin of r. How we will find the sin of r? It is x by 2, we can find hypotenuse 90 degree, it is h square plus x square by 4 square root, this length. So we can easily find that is sin of r from triangle O, A and C. From triangle OAC, find the value of sin of r. Sin of r will be equal to perpendicular x by 2 whole divided by hypotenuse h square plus x square by 4 square root. It is sin of r. Put the value of sin of r in equation 1 from 1, that is cos theta will be equal to mu is given 4 by 3, sin of r is x into x upon 2 into, take the common, x square, here will be x, here will be x square upon x square plus 1 by 4. Is it clear? X cancel, it is 2 by 2 common, that is 4 by 6. Now think here, that is cos theta is, what is cos theta is? 4 by 2x, 4 by 6 or into h square upon x square is given, it is 7 by 4. So we can also write here 7 square root of 7 square means 49 by 4 16 plus 1 by 4. We can write it. Is clear? Now solve it and find the answer. It is 4 by 6 into 1 upon, it is 49 plus that is LCM is 60, 16 LCM, it is 16 49 plus 4, that will be 4 by 6, 4, that is into 4 divided by 53, that is again 2 time, it is 3 time, that is how much? 8 by 3 root 53. Okay, this is the answer cos theta. Or we can also write theta is cos inverse 8 by 3 root 53. It is the answer. Any doubt? We can solve it. Nothing. We have applied Snell's law at this point, and we have to put the value of sin r from this triangle OAC. So this is the correct answer. Theta or cos theta is this one. You have to find the value cos theta. So this is the answer. Okay, this was the B part of question number 11. Now next, it is the A part of question number 12. It is again, if U and V are distance of object and real image, real object and real object formed by the lens. If U and V are distance of object and real object, here must be image. Object and real image formed by a lens, find the focal length. Find the focal length. See this figure. Real image, okay? Find the focal length of the lens. It is lens. Real image is formed by the lens. We can say then, what is the type of lens? Image is real. It is only possible. So lens is convex. Is it clear? और object is real, तभी तो real image form होगा. It means u will be negative and v will be positive. For this, for real image, u must be negative or v must be positive. It is most important. Now think about the graph. At the value of u, at the value of v, they are equal given in the graph. It is only possible when object is placed at 2f, then image will also be at 2f. 2f. Both are same. U is minus 20 centimeter, V is plus 20 because it is real. Okay, you have to find the focal length. आप direct find कर सकते हैं. First में f is equals to how much? 20 by 10, that is equals to 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter. Or we can also find 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Put these values and find again f will be equals to plus 10 centimeter. So it's the answer. Now गलती के मिस्टेक के चांसेस केवल यही हैं. ये रियल इमेज के लिए v must be positive and object u will be negative. So this is the solution of this part A of question number 12. चलिए अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट देखिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 पार्ट बी. A glass porthole is made the bottom of the ship for observing sea life. The whole diameter d is equal to 40 centimeter is much larger than the thickness of the glass. Determine the area S of the field of vision at the bottom from the porthole if Ri of water is 4 by 3 and sea depth is 5 meter. Now think about this question. It is the glass porthole at the bottom of the ship. इसका diameter given है ये, d is equals to 40 cm up to here. Now up to here, think about this. The important question, at the bottom base, this glass porthole is in the bottom of the ship. यहाँ से हम देखना चाह रहे हैं तो नीचे का वाटर है, इसके नीचे जस्ट वाटर है, वाटर. तो मुझे ये पोर्शन लूँ, तो वी कैन से इट विल बी d by 2. ओके, नाउ अब क्वेश्चन में ये पूछ रहा है कि नीचे कहाँ तक का एरिया में देख सकता हूँ ऊपर से. तो अगर मैं यहाँ से लाइट लेता हूँ, चलिए यहाँ तक का देख सकता हूँ, तो लाइट विल मूव इन दिस वे. इफ दिस एंगल इज क्रिटिकल एंगल, इट इज नॉर्मल, देन इट विल बेंड इन दिस वे. मैं देख सकता हूँ यहाँ से, it is IC. Same thing about here. It is normal, it is 90, it is also 90, it is IC. This will be the diameter of the circle. He want to see this portion. He can see this portion at the center O. If we know this distance, it is R. Okay, it is d by 2. Suppose it is x. So what is the value of r? R will be equals to x plus d by 2. Number 1, we have to find the area of this circle. So area of circle will be pi into r square, means pi into d by 2 plus x whole square. It will be the answer. But we have to calculate the value of d by 2 is given, d is given 0.2. But x is unknown. How we will find x? ये x find करना है मुझे. कैसे find करूँगा? देखिए, इस पॉइंट पे लगा सकता हूँ स्नेल्स लॉ at O, at point O, at O point. Now IC, it is water, mu, that is sine of IC into mu. Mu is the refractive index of water. Here is water. It is water up to here. Its refractive index is mu. So mu into sine of IC is equals to 1 into sine of 90. Okay. The critical angle IC, sine 90 is 1. So what is sine IC? 1 upon mu. 1 upon mu. Is it clear? We have to calculate the value of cos. It is suppose IC, and sine IC is 1 upon mu. 1 upon mu perpendicular to hypotenuse. Then we will find the value of base. It will be mu square minus 1. So what is tan of IC? From this triangle, tan of IC will be equals to 1 upon mu square minus 1. It's the tan IC. Tan IC number 2. Again tan IC इस triangle से find कर सकता हूँ मैं from this triangle. What is tan IC? From triangle, it is O, it is B, it is C. From triangle O, B, C. What is tan IC? Tan IC will be equals to, IC is this one. It is x upon 1. That is x upon 1. It is number 3rd. Now think about equation 2nd and 3rd. Both are the values of IC. Tan IC. We can equate 2nd and 3rd. So what is the value of 1 upon, that is 1 upon mu square minus 1 is equals to x upon 1. X upon 1. Clear? It is the value of x. So what is the area? Area is equals to the pi into r square, means pi, r की जगह था d plus d by 2 plus x whole square, that is pi. D is 40 centimeter, because d is 40 centimeter, means 0.4 meter, that is equals to pi into 0.2 plus x 1 upon mu square minus 1, because of mu is 4 by 3. Put the values of, that is pi into 0.2 plus 1 upon mu square, that is 16 by 9 minus 1. Solve it, whole square. Solve it and find the area. Pi into 0.2 plus, that is 16 minus 7, that is 3 by, that is 3, x upon h, that is 1. Now think about this. It is 17. Now I want the question, this one. Okay, it is 5 meter given. 5 meter. It is 5, it is x upon h. That is x upon, it is h. Okay. X upon h. So there will be x upon h. We can find the value of h. That is equal to, what is the value of x? H upon mu square minus 1 square root. It is h. H is 5 meter. That is 5 into 3, that is 15 by root 7 whole square. Is it clear? Okay, solve it. Root 7 approximate 2.64. So that is pi into 0.2 plus 15 by 2.64 whole square. We can solve it easily. We can solve it or not. That is 15. Okay. It is 5.68 approximate, this one. 5 pi into, that is 0.2 plus 5.68 whole square, that is pi into 5.88, 5.88 square. Solve it. Approximate 34 point something, 34 point, approximate 6 or 7 pi. It is meter square. It is the area of triangle. of circle, vision, it is the area. Main fundamentally this one, think about this figure. You have to find this radius. Now think about this. It is the A radius find karna. It is x. It is d by 2. D by 2 is given. Is clear? X कैसे find किया मैंने again by Snell's law at this point O. Snell's law. This one sin IC with the help of sin IC tan IC find किया. The value of tan IC दो मेथड से find किया मैंने. एक तो इस फॉर्मूले से 1/μ² - 1 और एक इससे find किया. इस ट्राइंगल में देखिए जरा, इस ट्राइंगल में देखिए जरा. We can find tan IC. X upon it is h. H is 5 meters. H. Oh, x upon h. Now think about this. This one x upon h. H is 5 meter. It is given here. Here is h is given. H is 5 because h is here. H is 5 meter. Yeah, put the value of this one. Okay. Okay, this is the answer. Correct answer is this one. Now, next, the last question. Okay, on next day, we will meet and discuss about electricity. Some important question for IJSO from electricity. Okay.